Ultrasonic Sensor Working Principle in 5 minutes. Ever wondered how robots avoid obstacles or how your car knows when to stop while parking? The answer lies in a tiny device called an ultrasonic sensor. An ultrasonic sensor measures distance using sound waves, just like how bats navigate in the dark. It sends out high-frequency sound waves that humans can't hear and calculates how long they take to bounce back. Here's how it works step by step. First, the sensor sends a signal through the trigger pin. This activates the transmitter, which emits ultrasonic waves. These waves travel through the air, hit an object, and bounce back to the sensor. The receiver then detects this reflected wave, called the echo. To calculate distance, the sensor measures the time taken for the wave to travel to the object and back. We divide by 2 because the sound travels to the object and back. Ultrasonic sensors are used everywhere, from parking sensors in cars to obstacle-avoiding robots, water level monitoring systems, and even automatic doors. The best part, ultrasonic sensors work in complete darkness and are highly accurate and don't depend on light like infrared sensors. So, next time you see a smart robot, remember, it might just be using sound to see. Follow for more amazing Tech Explained Simply.